In this tutorial I'm going to show how to do a 5-figure summary and also how to generate a box plot. Note that the box plot can only be done in Microsoft Excel 2006. In the earlier versions of Microsoft Excel it's not an available option, so it's not built in like I will be showing here. And note that you do not actually have to do the 5-figure summary before doing the box plot. It's just typically they're presented side by side and one uses information from the other. So I'm going to be looking at both to show how one can use them and generate them. In order to generate a 5-figure summary, what we're first going to need to do is generate our list of what variables we want. So we want the minimum, we want quartile 1, we want the median, which is quartile 2, we want quartile 3, and we want the maximum. These 5 figures are typically the values which one will include in a 5-figure summary plot. The minimum value, we can get this by typing equal to min, an open bracket, and selecting the data we require, closing bracket and hitting return. So this gives us a minimum of value of 138 using our data. For the quartile 1, we use the quartile command, so equal to QUARTILE, and we're going to use the inclusive one, .inc, open bracket, and we select our data yet again. But in addition, this time what we have to do is tell Excel what quartile we want to use. So I'm going to type comma 1 to indicate the first quartile, or Q1, close bracket and hit return. So what we can see is we get a value of 734 for Q1. In terms of the median, we simply type equal to median. And again, we could actually use the quartile command here and choose quartile 2 because the median is the second quartile. So we highlight our data here, close bracket, we're using the median so we don't need to do the comma 2. Hit return and we have our median value. For the third quartile, we're going to type quartile dot inc, open bracket, select our data. Again, we're going to type comma and 3 for the third quartile and close brackets. So we now have our third quartile calculation. For the maximum, we're going to use equal to max. So these 5 values give us our 5-figure summary plot. Now, what we're actually going to do then is insert a box plot. So we're going to highlight the data we want to use in the box plot, select insert, and in other charts we are going to select a box and whisker chart. If we select this, we see the chart appearing. Now bear in mind what one would like to do here is compare it to our table. So we can see the minimum value is 138, that's our lower whisker here. Maximum value is 2386, which is our upper whisker here. The median value is 1250, which is here, the middle line in our box itself. The Q1 value of 734 is here, the lower part of our box, and the upper part of our box, quartile 3 of 1881.75, is here. So what we can see is that our 5-figure summary plot matches into our box plot. That concludes this tutorial. Once again, bear in mind that while you can do the 5-figure summary in any version of Excel, the box plot is only available in the 2016 version. So if it is not working for you or you can't find the other charts option in the box and whisker plot option, just check the version of Excel you are using, as you may be limited in what you can do.